Welcome to Beyond the Brackets. Today we'll explore the rank of a matrix. Let's look at some examples before we discuss the definition. Matrix A is a non-zero rectangular matrix. Minimum rank a non-zero matrix can have is 1. Rank of a matrix will be 0 only for zero matrices. Maximum rank a non-zero matrix will be minimum of the order of the matrix. Here matrix A has 3 rows and 4 columns. So maximum rank matrix A can have is 3. Matrix B is a 3 cross 3 square matrix. Maximum rank for matrix B will be 3. Matrix C is a 2 by 2 square matrix. So maximum rank for matrix C will be 2. All three matrices A, B, C are non-zero matrices. So minimum rank they can have is 1. Matrix O is a 0 matrix. So rank of matrix O will be 0. Matrix E is again a rectangular matrix with 4 rows and 2 columns. So maximum rank matrix E can have is 2. To understand it better, let's work out an example to find the rank of a matrix. Rank of a non-singular square matrix is the order of the matrix. Rank of a singular square matrix is less than the order of the matrix. So basically we'll find the determinant of the matrix. If the determinant is 0 means it is a singular matrix, and for a singular matrix rank will be less than the order. Determinant of a matrix is not equal to 0 implies it is a non-singular matrix. For a non-singular matrix, rank will be equal to the order of the matrix. We are given matrix A, that is a 3 by 3 square matrix. Let's calculate determinant of this matrix. So for the first element, we'll leave the first row and the first column. So you get 24 minus 25. For the second element, leave the second column and the first row. You get 18 minus 20. For the third element, leave the third column and the first row. You get 15 minus 16. So this is a singular matrix. For a singular matrix, rank will be less than the order. So rank of this matrix will be either 2 or 1. As you know, rank of a matrix will be 0 only for zero matrices. Since this is a non-zero matrix, minimum rank it can have is 1. Next, let's consider a 2 by 2 minor of matrix A. Here are all the possible combinations you can form. Consider a minor of order 2 named as matrix P. We find determinant for this matrix. So you get 4 minus 6, and this is not equal to 0. So determinant P is a non-singular matrix. That means the rank of matrix A is 2. Alright, let's look into the definition of the rank of a matrix. Let A be an M cross N non-zero matrix. We say that R is the rank of A if every R plus 1th order minor of A is 0. There exists at least one rth order minor of A which is not 0. Every non-zero matrix has rank greater than or equal to 1. Rank of A is denoted by row of A. Rank of a non-singular square matrix is the order of the matrix. Rank of a matrix and its transpose will be equal. A matrix of order M cross N will have rank which is minimum of M cross N. Rank of an identity matrix will be equal to the order of the identity matrix. Rank of a matrix is unique. Two equivalent matrices have the same rank. Elementary operations on a matrix do not change its rank. Let's go through some more examples to find the rank of a matrix. Here matrix A is a non-zero square matrix of order 3. To find the determinant of matrix A, for the first element, leave the first row and the first column. We get 18 minus 1. Second element is 0. For the third element, leave the first row and the third column. You get 3 plus 30. And the total is 181, which is not equal to 0. So matrix A is a non-singular matrix. For a non-singular matrix, rank of the matrix will be equal to order of the matrix. So the rank of matrix A is 3. Moving on. Matrix A is a non-zero rectangular matrix of order 3 cross 4. we know that maximum rank matrix A can have is 3. Let's consider a minor of order 3 for matrix A. These are all the possible combinations. Let B be the minor of A, which is of order 3. For the determinant of matrix B, for the first element, you get 1 into 0 minus 49. For the second element, you get minus 2 into 0 minus 56. For the third element, you get 3 into 35 minus 48. So the total will be 24, which is not equal to 0. So matrix B is a non-singular matrix. Therefore, rank of matrix A will be equal to 3. The next question says, find the value of K such that the rank of matrix A is 2. Here matrix A is a 3 by 3 square matrix. Rank of matrix A is 2 implies this matrix is a singular matrix. So let's find the determinant of matrix A. For the first element, leave the first row in the first column. You get 10K minus 42. Minus 2 into 20 minus 21 plus 3 into 12 minus 3K. Solving this further, we get K minus 4 equal to 0 and K is equal to 4. Let's quickly move on to the next set of questions. Matrix A is a square matrix of order 3. We are asked to find the rank of matrix A. So finding determinant of matrix A, we get 1 into minus 9 plus 8, minus 1 into 6 minus 12, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 9. Solving this further, this becomes 0. So that means matrix A is a singular matrix. So rank of matrix A will be less than 3. Taking minor of order 2 for matrix A, you can consider any minor from all the possible combinations of all the minors of A. So let's consider A1 to be the minor of A. Finding determinant of A1, we get minus 9 plus 8, which is not equal to 0. So that means rank of matrix A will be equal to 2. Matrix B is again given as a square matrix of order 3. We are again asked to find the rank of matrix B. Finding determinant of B for the first element, minus 1 into 60 minus 60, plus 2 into 30 minus 30, minus 1 into 60 minus 60. So determinant of B is again 0. So rank of B will be less than 3. Let's consider a random 2 by 2 minor for matrix B. So we call it as B1. You get 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. You can check that for whatever possible combination of 2 by 2 minors of matrix B, for all the minors you get the determinant of the minors as 0. So that means rank of matrix B will be equal to 1. We are given two matrices A and B. We are asked to find the rank of A plus B. To first find A plus B, we add the corresponding elements of both matrices. So for the first element, you get 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 2, 2 plus 6 will be 8, minus 3 plus 12 will be 9, 4 plus 6 will be 10, 3 plus 5 will be 8, minus 2 plus 10 will be 8, 3 plus 5 will be 8. Finding determinant of A plus B, for the first element you get 0, for the second element you get 1 into 64 minus 80, for the third element it will be minus 2 into 64 minus 72. Sum of all the elements will be 0, that means rank of A plus B will be less than 3. Taking minor for A plus B, call it as X. So you get minus 8 plus 16 and that is not equal to 0. That means rank of A plus B is equal to 2. For the same matrices, we are asked to find the rank of AB. Matrix multiplication can be easily done using calculators. So if you multiply matrix A with matrix B, you are getting a 0 matrix. We know that a rank of a 0 matrix will be 0. Last question is left as an exercise. Matrix A and matrix B is given to you. You got to find the rank of matrix BA. To make it easier, I have done the multiplication for you and the resulting matrix has rank 1.